guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you a clip-on hair extension. So in case you guys are looking for a clip-on hair extension, then definitely this review will help you. So this one I have ordered from Amazon, and I will show you how it looks on my hair. So let's open it and see. So this is the hair extension. It comes with like some bobby pins and some hair tie, and this is the hair extension. It comes with like a 3-piece hair extension, and these are the highlighter. Open it and see. So it's like almost so these are like synthetic hair. So I will show you how it looks on my hair, so you can get an idea in case you guys are looking for clip-on hair extension. So this is the hair extension. You can see you just have to attach it on your hair. Let's see how the 3 pieces. Synthetic hairs, not like a real hair. So it's like a 3-piece hair extension, or like similar, like this way. You just have to clip on your hair. So it's like really easy to add the extension. And I'll show you the highlighter pink one. Yeah, if you don't like the pink one, you can skip it. Yeah, I'll this one. Like your super cute pink ones, like really nice one. So let's attach the clip this way. Yeah, I've attached one part. Now I'll add the second part. Like open this one, you can see. Second part, and add the third one like this way. Open this one. It's super easy, you don't have to do anything. So let's add this highlighter. I mean highlighting hair in case you need. But so let's open the bun. And yeah, I like it. So in case you guys are looking for something like easy and quick hair extension, then definitely this one is like a really great one. And this price is also below $20, so which is like a really affordable one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.